Did you know that there are literally thousands of business presentations being given every minute of every day? The biggest challenge in all of this is to be heard, to be noticed, to stand out. You see, the 13 box system is a paint by the numbers presentation content structure for business communicators that helps them stand out, helps them to get noticed. It makes no difference if you're writing a business presentation or putting together an investor pitch or doing a sales conversation. Maybe you are giving a sales presentation or responding to an RFP. The 13 box system is just what you need to win, to get your message across, to stand out. Hey, perhaps you're that go-to person that others rely on to create a presentation, and you know who you are. Well, the 13 box system will be your very best friend. I invite you to come and start your journey to becoming an epic business communicator, where you will learn how to create epic presentations, pitches, and proposals every time.